Artificial intelligence, electric vehicles, and 5G are driving demand for advanced semiconductors and electronics manufacturing, inspiring industries to reach new heights. I'm Brian Matzke, Electronics Manufacturing Industry Lead for Travelers. Because of advances in semiconductor technology, electronics manufacturers deliver innovative products for use in the IT industry, transportation, energy, and more. Of course, there are issues of concern. Fragile dependencies that could create sudden semiconductor shortages can increase their vulnerabilities. As the power and sophistication of chips increase, the risks of defect and failure mechanisms grow, and more powerful chips could lead to individual product failures, having a larger financial impact on the manufacturer than in the past. For example, consider a company that manufactures sophisticated sensor systems for monitoring worker safety in construction. If injuries result from an alleged failure of the chips in the sensor systems, the manufacturer could be sued. Or consider an electronics manufacturer that develops components for robotics for use in auto manufacturing. If the robotic systems injure workers in an auto plant, the manufacturer could be held liable. Without effective risk control practices, they could be the sole responsible party. For more than 40 years, Travelers has been ensuring electronic manufacturers, helping manage these risks. We offer product liability coverage for when your product is alleged to have caused bodily injury or property damage, and global coverage that protects your overseas exposures. Our dedicated claim professionals understand the challenges of product liability, contractual risk transfer, and more. Travelers is a key part of empowering the breakthroughs of tomorrow.